I'm in the middle of making drawer boxes for our kitchen. And these drawer boxes are going to use Undermount drawer slides. And so that means I have to cut these notches out and drill holes in the back of each one for the pins to fit in. And that could be somewhat time consuming, going and marking and drilling it all and making sure that it's precise. So to save time, I quickly made a little jig with my 3D printer, and it goes over and gives me the exact spot where to drill. And then I have tape on my drill bit for the depth that it's supposed to go. So I'll show you how I use this. It makes it super simple. And I'll also include a link in the description to the code that does this, as well as the 3D printed file that you can use if you're doing this. So let's get started. This is the back side of the drawer. This is where we'll be cutting the notch and drilling the hole. And so I used my speed square and set it to 1 11/16 and just quickly used it to mark. So this part has to be 1 3/16 plus then the 1/2 inch plywood. So did that on both sides. And then I just took my multi-tool, and this is the easiest way I found to cut these out. I had to create 2 different jigs, one for each side because they are a mirror image of each other. So we'll just have this one for this side, this one for this side. So you line it up. So this, it kind of broke off and tore out. So I'm going to line this part up here with the edge of the plywood, and then this just hangs on to the edge. So it's important that when you cut this, you're using the multi-tool and it's flush with the base so the measurements are good. And this one. So there you go. So it's probably not worth it to do this if you're just doing one drawer box, but if you're doing a whole kitchen, it sure speeds up the process. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like and subscribe. And also check out in the description, I'll put a link for these pieces on Thingiverse so you can print them out yourself. And then also I'll try to upload, I made these in OpenSCAD, so I'll try to upload that OpenSCAD file to the customizer so you can put in your own dimensions and customize if you're not using the drawer slides I used. I'm using the Everbuilt drawer slides, the soft close undermounts from Home Depot.